Well, I could see my husband sort of struggling with the enormity of the work on the farm, and I thought it would be good if a farmer could go out and actually work alongside another farmer. I thought that's the ideal way to really do a job for farmers that will actually help them rebuild not only their farm, but their business. Farmers have been impacted far worse, not only for the devastating drought that we've all been through for the last 3 years. We've had the bushfires and then COVID as well.
But yes, it has been traumatic. Saved their houses, but everything else meant shedding, pasture. Lost 20 head of cows, 40 sheep got burnt, and all our fencing there. I hope it expands because farmers do need help. So yeah, hopefully we'll expand and keep going. It's going to go on for 5 to 10 years at least.
We lost all our boundary fences, and we were just devastated. Well, it's just we can't explain to you that we've got hundreds of miles of wire rather. The posts are all burned off. We haven't had any cattle for 12 months now because it was 13 months, I'm sorry, but it's no use having cattle when you can't keep them in.
And I've seen the devastation firsthand that these people have gone through. It's going to put back infrastructure in their property so they can rebuild their lives as well, I think, not just their properties.
One of our prime principles in recovery is to be community-led, and I don't think you can get much more community-led than this project. It's been initiated by some landowners who've been affected by the fire, and they've had all sorts of people from the community come forward to help contribute to it. And as part of the community, Delta's put some money in as well.
It's apparent now with the response we've got that we will need a second one, that's for sure. So we'd like to divide the teams up into two, or we can duplicate quite easily. Contact the BRV hub at Sarsfield, or you can contact the local Rotary Club or your local Lions clubs.